There we go. I'm going to set this there. We're going to go.
How deep does that go? Does that go down? Pretty down? It goes deeper than what we're standing, right? It goes down and
Okay. We're not going to go there. That gets really, really tight. So we're not going to go there.
That's a good idea.
Okay. You guys come up here. Let's, we're going to do all this good stuff here. Yeah, I got the open room. This room, we have the passageway we came in. Okay, this passage back that goes that way, that gets really tight, down to about this big. And then it loops around and comes out of this crack. So we're not going to do that. And I promised the owner we won't go back there. Okay, he's got, there's some stuff, not he's got, there's stuff back there that's been growing for a while, and he's trying to let that part of the cave regrow and get pretty again. And it's got some really nice stuff in there. Just kind of, we're leaving it alone because it's kind of nice. Now from this, we've got a passage here, okay, and a passage here and here. We are actually going to go up.
Nice.
Okay. There's a couple of ways to do this. Now, you can go underneath here and come out on this side of the rock, okay?
Gentlemen, let's listen.
There's a foothold on this side that you kind of boost yourself up and then work your way up this crack until you get to the point where you don't have to climb up this way. You just keep on going up and you step up into the room up here. And another way is to do it from the outside and stepping up with a foot, and holding on to up there and just kind of go up there. And it's the same thing of going up this crack until you get up there. When you get up there, just have a seat and just kind of chill out. The first one up lights up that room. Okay, so you're going to go up in the dark. It's going to be dark when you first get there, and your headlamp is going to be what lights the room. So who's going to go first and light the room? Do you want to go into the rock, or do you want to go on the outside?
One go under, one go
Here or
This way. This way.
Go under.
Go into the rock. Come up the other side. Right there.
that's really cool.
Okay, you see that foothold to your right? The foothold in the wall there?
Yeah.
You can just stick your foot in there, boost yourself up. That's it, perfect.
Good job, Evan.
And now you're going. See? Easy, right?
Yeah.
Real easy. Okay, who's next?
Me.
Okay, go. Don't get too close to him and don't get underneath him so that if he falls, you don't want to get him on top of you and you don't want to get mud kicked in you.
I think you're good.
Evan's not gonna fall. Yo.
You can see your hand in front of your face. It's so cool.
There we go. He's doing good. Does anybody want to go on the outside?
I don't think I'm going to be able to go on the inside.
I'm sure they're on the inside.
I'm definitely going.
There you go. You're doing good.
Should have had that extra.
That's it. Look at it. Flexible. Real flexible. He's got this. He's got this.
Yeah.
Okay, next.
Go, Kyle.
Yeah, we're just gonna go up there. Stay away from the edge. Just go up there, have a seat, and we'll all be up there real soon.
Evan, are you at the top?
Yeah.
Nice, buddy. Nice.
Yeah, just keep on going up that crack until you get to the top there. Very good. You guys are doing really good. Look at this. You're moving. Go ahead. You got it.
Yeah, man. Yeah.
Oh my God. I'm coming, boys. I love it. You guys are great.
Okay, give me a thumbs up.
There you go. Very good. Very good. Okay, you can go ahead. Does anybody want to do the outside?
Yeah, I'll do the outside.
Okay. Whenever you're ready.
You on the outside.
Yeah. Good thing we went to the Philadelphia Rock Show the other day.
I know, right?
There you go. Oh, I didn't do the intro. Darn it. I got to do that when I get up here. We'll have to do that when we get to a spot.
When you're safe, Justin, look here.
That's
a good shot.
The left foot?
Huh?
Left.
No, you're fine, you're fine. Whatever way is comfortable for you. Okay, you gotta put a foot here,
I'll wait until all the kids go and then I'll
foot
go
here,
if that's okay
foot
with you.
here. Yeah. You don't want them to see you do that and
Or cry.
they cry. Yeah. That's my thought too.
It's funny, like this looks wet. Or
Yeah,
like you could just peel it off.
that's just
But
all
it's so
calcite.
sturdy. That's
Yeah.
wild.
Yeah, it just,
Is that it? Is that what it is? It's a calcification?
it's a calcite deposit from the stalactite, stalagmites, when they were like thousands
When
and
you feel
thousands of
safe,
years
Kev,
ago.
look here.
All this rock was up on the ceiling,
Good.
and that's when all this started to form, and then the ceiling collapsed and cemented everything in place.
Crazy.
It is. It's insane how this thing got all. Nature just does some fantastic stuff. Put your foot here, and I got your foot. There you go. Perfect. 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 All right.
Plenty of handholds, Jason. That's a good thing.
There you go. Foot here, and swing your foot over here. Just hold on to what you got. Really good. Really good. Hoorah! Okay. You guys are really good. How's everybody doing?
Good.
So far, so good?
Oh yeah.
All right. Now this room, it's not that far from that room, but it has its own little features and passageways. There's a hole here that if you drop down and you go that way, it's a hands and knees crawl all the way until you get into a room that you stand up in, and it's got a hole about this big around, straight up about 10 feet. It's a bear to climb out of. So we're not going to do that right now anyway.
Right now.
There's this hole here that you can drop down, and it's walking passage on the other side of these rocks. Here. Okay? It's easy peasy. But we're going to go this way. And with this one, I'm going to go first to show you how to do it. Take care of the person behind you, because what you're going to do is that as you're facing into the crack on the left-hand side, whoop, here we go, balance is everything. On the left-hand side wall, there's a horizontal crack that's about foot height that you could stick your toes in. This way, boom, boom, and then lean against the wall and shimmy sideways. Down. You're only about 2 feet off the ground. It's not that far. It's just looks a little heebie-jeebie if you haven't done it before.
They'll flap it off.
Oh my.
Watch your head on.
Okay.
Okay, take care of the person behind you.
Just hit my head.
Okay, see right where I am here? This ledge ends, but there's another one right here.
Got it.
And you can just step down.
Yeah, right
You either step down or else keep going. Okay?
Yeah.
Okay. Just let the person behind you know how to do it.
Definitely. Once you get here, there's a ledge right down here. Right here. So it looks a little bit deeper than this. Right here. Just take it right there. Yep. Alright, and then you step down. And then tell the person behind you.
Caden, you see this wood right here?
Very good. You guys are doing really good. Helping each other. It's great.
Don't jump, bro. Step down.
There we go. Okay. This is called the wishing well. Okay, you don't have to do this. This is only if you really want to, okay? And when we get everybody here, I can explain how the whole thing works. We'll bring everybody up and in behind us and tell you all about this room, okay? Okay.
Oh, yeah. You took Evan and I through that.
All right. Got just about everybody, right? Okay. This is the wishing well. You don't have to do this one if you don't want to, okay? If you go down there and you take a look, it's kind of tight for about this far, okay? So you have to go in like on your side, one arm in front, one arm in back, head first, on all the way down on the ground, and kind of shimmy your way through. Once you get through and make that right turn past the rock, like I said, it's only about this far in. It's a belly crawl for 15, 20 feet until you get to the passage on the other side of this rock here. And you can stand up there, you make a left, and it goes down this way. Okay? Got that? Okay. Now, you remember me saying that there was the hole on that side, on that wall, that dropped down, walking passage. That's where this meets up with, that walking passage. And that goes all the way down there. This hole here on this side that I told you about, that chimney is way up here. Okay? And to climb out of that, you have to climb up that chimney and climb up there and then come all the way down and around to here. Okay? If you don't want to do this, it's okay. You can go this way. It's sort of walking passage. You have to climb over a couple of big rocks, but that's about it. But it meets up just a little ways down there at a Y. So that passage and this passage meet up. So if you want to take a look at it, if you don't want to do it, you get down there, you look at it and say, I don't want to do this. Then you can come out, but only one person in the hole at a time.
I won't make fun of you until I figure out if I can do it or not.
As in, you won't go with me?
Yeah,
Okay, you won't go with me?
You're going?
Yeah, let's do it. I'm going. I'm gonna go. I'm going.
Okay, stay up here while he's down there, okay? We want to keep, yeah, just go down, take a look. You gotta have to lay down on your side and take a look at it.
You're doing it?
Oh, he'll fit, no problem.
Okay,
at him
he
go.
fits, I'll fit. I'll problem.
Look at him go. Look at him go.
Kyle,
Hold on,
this will definitely fit.
wait till he's all the way down.
Mother would be so upset with me right now.
Bye-bye, Evan.
Is it wet?
No, it's pretty dry. It feels like clay.
Okay.
That's good.
Okay, he's through the hard
Left or
part.
right?
Right.
We think.
Think. Good
You tell
point.
us.
Good boy.
Okay, just wait for your buddy.
I'm his buddy.
Okay, who's
Go
yours,
down,
buddy?
down.
Okay, let him go down.
I don't think he's gonna fit. Okay.
Now, if you don't want to do it, you get down there, we can swap buddies, okay? That's no problem at all. Just as long as nobody's by themselves.
Evan, can you hear us?
Yeah.
Are you alive?
I don't think he's dead.
No, I'm not going.
Not down there? Okay, that's okay.
No
That's okay.
judgment. No judgment.
Yeah,
Whatever you're
this is not
comfortable
for
with.
everybody. I don't fit anymore. I used to.
Dude.
Many years ago.
Kyle, you try.
About 30 pounds ago, so.
Evan, you're getting a new buddy.
Yep.
I think I'll fit. I'm a petite little boy. I'm so small.
Okay, I tried to fit.
I love it.
Is anybody else?
He's just gonna wiggle through.
I'll try, Katie.
You're not it, buddy. Yeah.
I'd certainly try.
He's through the tough part. That's the tough part.
The chances of my success are only about 33%, but I'm trying.
That's high.
It's worth the bet. It's worth the $10 bet.
If you double that, that's a passing grade.
Are you through?
Yeah.
Alright, do we just keep going straight?
Yes.
And then.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
That's not comforting, Caden. That's not comforting.
Next person that goes down there, all I want to hear out of your mouth is, wow, this is super big.
Okay, where you going? Look, just look.
I got it, doesn't.
Katie, can your dad fit down there?
You want to go first?
All right.
Sure.
You guys are going to be responsible for pulling me out.
Does that one take a right or left the next turn?
The next turn, a right. I think there's only one turn. A right, and then go straight out.
Right.
There is no straight.
If,
Sorry, wrong cave.
There should be another guy there. Ask him.
How do I get like this?
Oh, you're not petite enough. Haha.
gotta lay down all the way.
I can't.
This is clay.
Bring your feet up.
Fetal position.
Think of like a
What am I
small.
This is like clay.
Bring your feet up. So your feet are up out of the hole.
Like
You gotta act like
my
a.
feet up here and I'm down there.
Yeah, and you're down there. So you're basically upside down.
You just gotta be a wolf like
Oh, there you go.
That's it.
Oh,
That's one way to do it. On your side, all the way down.
Can't do
One arm in front, one arm in back.
There's no shame in not doing it.
He'll fit no
There's shame.
problem. He'll fit no
Oh, that's
problem.
not
There you
That's
go.
it. That's the way to do it.
Yeah,
Yeah.
you got that.
Yeah.
Declan, I'm probably gonna stay here with you. Justin's challenge that much.
Do I have to stay now?
I'm going for it.
I'm gonna
I'll try it.
I'm going
I want
for
to see
it.
if I at least fit, and then I'll go back up.
My God, this is giant.
That's what I like to hear.
That's the man right there.
Thank you for the vote of confidence.
Kevin, just look. Bro.
There you go.
You can drive a truck through here.
Oh yeah, nah. Yeah, Declan, I'm staying up here with you.
I want to try. I just want to